Hello traders, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the pound dollar EA for MT4 and MT5. This is an EA that I have developed, which is free to download using the link in the description below. So in this video, I'm just going to run through the various different settings of the EA and the ways in which you can implement it within your own trading strategy. So here I have the MT4 platform. Strategy tester window is open with the pound dollar selected. You can actually use this on any trading instrument, so forex, stocks, cryptos, commodities, etc. Okay, and then you chart time frame. I've got a 1 hour pound dollar chart here. Okay, you can see there's a nice uptrend. So how would we have used the EA to help us out in this scenario? Well, first of all, we could have identified this support level here. Okay, and then we see the market making higher lows, so we know we're in an uptrend. Okay, so I have this wedge formation here, breakout to the upside. So anywhere really here, we can confirm that we're moving up, and we're going to look for buy trades, and we're going to time our entry on a pullback or a breakout. So you can do this without any EA really. You could have traded that breakout there. Okay, got 3 white soldiers pattern there, 3 inside out, lots of bullish price action, as well as the lower highs again. Okay, nice breakout to the upside there. So the EA, what it does is it has nearly every technical indicator from MT4 and MT5 built in. So everything from your moving average, which your trend indicators, envelopes, parabolic SAR, Bollinger Bands, ADX, Ichimoku, so on and so forth. Oscillators as well. You've got your CCI, your stochastics, RSI, MACD, etc. Okay. So what you can do is you can set any of these indicators to true or false if you want to use them or not. Some have multiple options, like the CCI, for example. You can have it either it's got to be not extreme or extreme. Just like the stochastics, it has to be trending, or either extreme or not extreme, or a combination of both. Perhaps you want a trend in an extreme area, you could just set them both to true. Then we also have candlestick patterns as well. So with the candlestick patterns, any candlestick pattern that you set to true must be in place when for there to be a valid setup. Otherwise, you can just have no pattern set to true, in which instance the EA can take a trade without there being a candlestick pattern. Okay, you can have pop-up alerts or email alerts and SMS alerts, as well as use trading. If you have use trading set to true, the EA can actually place and manage the trades on your behalf. Okay, you can combine pop-up alerts with trading. So for example, if it does place a trade, you receive an alert, so you can quickly check from there on in. Days filter, you can choose the days you wish for the EA to trade, the hours as well. You can close trades at a certain time, perhaps if you want to close them prior to the rollover, or you don't want to trade overnight. You can close on Friday if you want to try and avoid weekend gaps. You don't want to get caught on the wrong side of one of those. Got your general settings such as your order ID, maximum spread, maximum slippage to avoid unfavorable market conditions. You can set your position size, so either using lots or risk percent. Instructions are included as well. As I say, completely free. The instructions cover all the settings. Stop loss, take profit, self-explanatory. Hedging, true or false, depending on your broker. So an equity check as well. You can deactivate the EA if your equity falls below the minimum equity or goes above the maximum equity. Got break even, true or false, trailing stop, true or false, as well as the values. You can close a percentage of the trade when they're reached as well. So yeah, basically a complete EA that covers multiple indicators, price action analysis, money management, everything you need really. So in this instance here, let's just say we were using the EA to give us Bollinger Bands alerts. We could have been alerted either on a pullback around here, and then we know, okay, prices pull back, let's try to enter in on this trend on the breakout. Or we could have been alerted when the breakout actually happens, and perhaps had the EA take the trade as well. If you wanted to wait for this move to play out up to here, you could have entered on the breakout. As you can see, there would have been a decent trade as well. rather than enter straight away as well. You could have received an alert, okay, there's been a breakout of the Bollinger Bands, then you could have waited for the pullback here. As I said, this is a 1 hour chart. If you go to 15-minute, 5-minute, you'll see a lot more action here. And then trade on the confirmation breakout there. And a good move for over 300 pips. Okay, and then equally you can get alerts when it's time to exit. Perhaps you can get an alert when price crosses the bands here, and then you know, okay, this move, maybe it's time to get out, especially as you see the market making these lower highs as well. So yeah, the EA completely free to use. Help yourself to copy using the link in the description below. Experiment, optimize, do as you please. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Take care.